Hello, fellow creative writing students. I'm here today to help you navigate the complications of Discord. So, after seeing the email that probably led you to this link, you're probably going to receive a link that leads you to this website here, to discordapp.com. So you probably won't need to Google this, but you can if you want. When you get to the main website, though, the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create an account. So what you do is go to the top right here where it says login. Then you're going to go down underneath the login button here. You'll see a button called register. You're going to click that. And in here, you're going to place a valid email address, a username, and a password. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you guys have registered for other things too, so you should know how to do this much. Once you have created the account, what you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to go to your email address, because in all likelihood, they're going to require you to verify your email address, which it's a common thing with Discord, especially if you're switching accounts. After you've verified the email address, you're going to head back to the main website here, and from here you have a couple of options. You can either go back to the login button and log into the Discord app via the login button here. So I'll do that right now to kind of show you what I'm talking about. I think it's... There we go. Nope. And as you see here, I'm actually able to access my my Discord account and everything, and I have all the features available to me that I would ordinarily have if I had the app or if I had it on a phone. You can do it that way, or if you want, what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and log out. You can head over to the main screen here, and if you want, you can download this for Windows, or if you don't have Windows and let's say for example you're using a MacBook, you can download it for Mac right here. You can download it for your cell phones, or for Linux if you use Linux. It's a pretty quick download. Maybe if you have a modest internet connection, it might take you 5 minutes at most. But downloading the application isn't absolutely necessary for using it. You can of course just log on to the website and accomplish the very same thing. Once you've successfully logged on to Discord, you're probably, hopefully, I'm hoping to have already sent a link to Dr. Ruckle to send out to you guys that you can then use to get onto the creative writing server. But if that's not the case, then worst case scenario, you just simply have to add one of us who are already on Discord. So I'm going to provide at least my username on there that you can use to send me a friend request if need be. If you can't, if the link to this doesn't seem to work, then you can just contact me, and then I'll send you an invite directly. To do this, when you get onto the Discord app or onto the website, you're going to go to Home, and right here you're going to see Friends, and you're going to go to Add Friend, and then you're going to put in my user information, which mine is Lucras Kelvac #8802. And then you're just going to send friend request, and I should receive it, and then it'll just pop up as pending, and I can invite you in. A lot of this is pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions at all, contact me. If you can, contact me on Canvas. You can send me a message directly. My name is Michael Reed Littlejohn II, so if you just look for Michael Littlejohn, and send me a message, an email, or whatever, and I can get back to you and help you, immediately. But like I said, it's pretty simple, so shouldn't have any problems. All right, see you guys later.